Hi all. Today we are going to demonstrate to you people regarding e-Insta no-code development platform which is used to create API services. e-Insta is a no-code development platform, creating powerful API services. It assures that, build your API once, then run it anywhere in a flash time. A customer wants to build a web application to support the digital transformation. They need to build APIs and need to build rich UI for their database. How many efforts he may require? e-Insta is a tool which builds an API and UI in minutes of time, and it will be deployed into runtime environment. Now let us dive into the demo. Please provide the appropriate credentials, and click on the login button as shown. Select the Fast API tab as shown. Provide the project name as of your requirement. Provide the description as of your requirement. Now create a module and add as many fields and type to that module as shown. Click on the Generate button. Now the package will be created at the given destination. Now we have imported the downloaded API bundle to PyCharm. Let's run the bundle. Let us navigate to the Swagger which incorporates CRUD activities for the made API. A new application UI will be naturally created which structured utilizing React.js. Here we can add the required fields manually as shown. We can update, delete the records manually in the newly created application UI. Let us redirect to UI and select the JSON tab as shown, to provide the data in the form of JSON to generate API. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more updates. For any queries please reach us at vijay.reddy@eaisp.com.